Hi everyone, Catholic Trim Healthy Mama Coach Christina from Balanced and Blessed. I'm just coming on here show you what I got from the big cyber sale that THM did recently. It ended yesterday, so I ordered quite a bit of stuff that I needed that I normally use, but also some other stuff. So I am doing an unboxing of my of what's in the box. So I wanted to show you what came in. I did order a set of the shampoo and the conditioner. If you have never tried their shampoo and conditioner, I love it. I'm so happy I did not run out of the conditioner before they got more in stock. I always try to have an extra bottle or two in my pantry for that reason, or up above the washing machine. So I just love their shampoo and their conditioner. And I bought a second one of the conditioner, so then that way I have an extra one that's going to be put away. So that way if they run low or they go out of stock, I still have one. Hi, whoever you are that's watching, say hello, where you're from. If you're watching the replay, hashtag July sale, or hashtag THM July sale. So I ordered more nutritional yeast. I love their nutritional yeast. It is, I just love nutritional yeast. It replaces cheese for me. I use it all the time. And I like their brand the best. So I got 3 of those, I think. Yep, I got 3. Because I just go through it so quickly. And I love it. So I got, and believe it or not, this morning I just ran out of the vanilla whey protein powder. Whey protein powder that's optimized. I've been using it in my ice cream. So I got another packet. And I'll probably have to order again next month, knowing my luck. I also picked up the chocolate whey protein that's optimized. And then this way I don't have to sub cocoa powder for the chocolate covered strawberry or mixed berry blizzy by Coach KJ, which has ended up being one of my favorites. When I run out of them, I make more. And it's hot. That's why I'm in my kitchen doing this, because it's too hot to be outside. Ordered more Baobab powder. I was starting to get low, and it was a really good price. And I got a big bag of Gentle Sweet, and it's just the erythritol and stevia blend, so no xylitol is in here. But that's everything in my box. Let me know what you got from the THM sale if you did shop it. And if you were lucky enough to get any of the freebie things they were doing with those texts. Because I tried to do it and I didn't get any of them, but that's okay. Totally okay with it. But let me know what you got from the sale or if you got anything special. And I'd love to know. I hope that you have a great rest of your Monday, and I will talk to you later. All right. Bye.